Well, in California, there are state standards, and those standards have specific pacings. And because we use technology to either assess our effectiveness or to deliver those standards, if technology is down, then we have a problem maintaining the pacing and the expectation of different departments within our district. At first, I just queried a number of people who had dealt with refurbished machines. Several other districts had dealt with ISE. And so I called up ISE and talked to them and said, look, my district has tend to be shy of buying used machines and used equipment. What can you offer me? And they sent in some demos, and then we worked out some pricing. And I was shocked at how well the systems worked, and I was shocked at how responsive ISE was. They've always been responsive to any concerns that we've had, and they've always been really aggressive on the pricing, which is our #1 issue. The thing about ISE that it's done for us is it's lowered our total cost of ownership of technology in the classrooms. And so we've actually been able to write in the use of refurbished machines into our state-approved technology plan as a means of meeting our budget restrictions, but still meeting our goals to have a certain computer-to-student ratio. And without ISE's refurbished machines, we wouldn't be able to do that. There'd be no way. ISE and their representatives have been always very effective at listening to the baselines that I'd like for the machines to have, so they must have specific minimums. This includes a 3-year warranty in our case, but it has to have a minimum amount of RAM, a minimum amount of hard drive space, and a minimum amount of processing power. I have had no complaints, actually, none, about performance on the machines. It's been huge. Like I said, the teachers have really welcomed the new machines, haven't questioned their origins in any way, shape, or form, and are just happy to have them. My technicians, who may have been reluctant at first, love the things because they are from the same vendor, essentially, or same manufacturer as our new machines, so they're trained on them. They understand how the systems work. They meet our imaging solutions. They meet our management solutions. Really haven't had any glitches with the refurbished machines at all. In fact, I continue to push them in all of our technology meetings, and I recommend them to all our principals. And I would say, without a doubt, look at refurbished machines and look at services that ISE can provide. They lower the total cost of ownership of machines significantly. Their service is excellent. The thing that was an excellent benefit for me was the 3-year warranty. That really sold me. That helped provide security to my technicians and to my teachers and to cabinet above me to say that, look, we're spending this much money on used machines, but we're going to have guaranteed this much usage. That's a no-brainer for me as someone who's trying to reduce costs but still provide more services. And I know that that's what all of public education institutions in California struggle with. And my peers, I think we're all starting to look at this, and I'm just glad I did. It's really saved me.